Here's the easiest home business for full-time income. Stick with me till the end and learn exactly how anyone can make more money faster and create a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been in home business full-time for over 20 years now, and it's not just about the money, but the time freedom too. Let me share what I do. This home business has been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now. Anyone can do this. No experience is needed. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about home business. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. So this is by far the simplest online home business I know of. Even beginners can make significant money in very minimal time. It's an affiliate marketing business. If you are new to the term, affiliate marketing just means you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. I love affiliate marketing. There are no products to handle, no customer service issues, no phone calls to make. And you can do this home business from just about anywhere. You do not need to be home to do it. All you need is an internet connection, and you can do this at whatever time of day is convenient for you. Imagine making money while you're at the beach, watching TV, or playing with the kids. I even do this while I'm out sailing. We promote 4 high-demand digital products that almost sell themselves. They range in price from $10 to $1,000. The company pays us a whopping 80% commissions. You can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And there is long-term passive or recurring income too. You will love still getting paid months from now for the sales that you make today. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. This home business is done entirely online. It's mostly automated. We provide you with a proven marketing system that really leverages your time. Like I said, you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. You can start making money fast. Many new people make money their first day in this home business by following our unique Quick Start training. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos on everything from free traffic and lead generation to sales funnels and effective email marketing. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. I will share everything that has helped me be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money in a home business is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. To learn more about this home business and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.